So today I am going to be showing you what we got from Costco, and I hope you enjoy. So to start off with, we've got the massive big box of chips. There's all different flavors in there. Love that. We've got some vanilla up and go, some sanitary pads, some nighttime nappies for my son. We've also got some tea bags. They worked out to be like 3 cents a bag, so I had to get those. And we also got some little snacks. They are so yum, love to keep them in the cupboard. We've got some all-purpose seasoning, great for cooking. We've also couldn't go past Oreos. I had to pick up a box, they're so yummy. And then we also got some 2-minute noodles. I haven't seen those in the supermarket for ages because of the food shortages, so I had to get, as soon as I saw this box, I had to get that one. And then we also got some dentist sticks for my doggy. So there's 70 in that pack, so that'll last us ages. So we also got a big thing of Vegemite, some tomato paste, and then I also got a big 5-kilo bag of onions. I love to chop that up and put it in the freezer. Got some fabric softener, massive big bag of twisties, and a 1-kilo bag of lollies. Then we also got some muffins. Can't go to Costco without muffins, so we got double chocolate and blueberry. So in our deep freezer, we've got a 2-kilo bag of blueberries. We have a bag of pork gyoza, which are yum. We also got a massive big box of party pies and sausage rolls, and then underneath here we got a mega variety pack of ice creams as well. So we also got a massive big 2-kilo pack of chicken, and then we also got some pepperoni. Absolutely love pepperoni. And then here we've also got some ham. We already opened it and had ham and cheese sandwiches for lunch, which were absolutely yummy. So that is our Costco haul. So I will put the price down in this little bit here. And I hope you enjoyed our haul, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.